J-B Weld brings the world's strongest bond to body filler. For auto body repairs, nothing works better. It has the strength and durability to repair dents, dings, rust, and scratches. It dries fast and is easy to sand and paint. Whether you've used a body filler before or not, repairing something like this car door will be a breeze. Start by cleaning and drying the surface. Next, sand the damaged area with 80 grit sandpaper. Sand all the way down and brush away the dust. Knead the hardener before opening the tube. Open the can lid and stir the putty. On top of a non-porous surface, apply a bead of hardener over the diameter of putty you plan to use. Mix enough for a 3 to 4 minute work time. Use a paint spreader to combine until the mixture is a uniform color. Next, apply the putty. Use firm pressure to spread over the repair area. Allow 30 minutes to cure. Sand the surface with 80 grit sandpaper, then finish with a finer grit. Finally, prime and paint per the manufacturer's recommendation. Showroom results and ready to roll. Learn more at jbweld.com.
J-B Weld, world's strongest body.